You don't need money or mentors to start an online business, to scale your online brand. In this episode, I'm going to talk about content strategies, what types of content there is, and how you can get yourself going. So let's get to it. So all over on YouTube, you know about video content, but there's different types of content. There's long form written content, there's short form content, videos, and then there's the long form video content. Now, depending what you prefer to do, if you like being on video, you like creating video content, that's fantastic. If you like writing and you're not too sure about video, that's just as good. But what I suggest is you want to try and get them all. You want to do them all. Now, the best ways to do this, for me, I think, is you can use your long form videos or your long form written to make a load of short form videos. So we'll start with written content, right? So if you're using the likes of Facebook, Instagram, X, used to be Twitter, you can use your profile. You don't have to do pages and all that kind of stuff. Use your personal profile and you just write content on there. Now you want to be looking at once or twice a week, something long, not a massive long story, but something that people are going to read, because people that are on Facebook, especially there, they like to read. And if it's got a catchy hook, they're going to read along. Now, you want to be vulnerable. You want to be yourself. Give value. Like I say, you don't need to write a book or an essay, or it's not a blog post. But, try and go into as much detail as possible. But, you could say that on a Monday, write something about what you've done over the weekend, if what you've learned online, something along them lines. And then through the week, say midweek or even on a Friday, how your week's been, what you've been up to, again, what you've learned, and give a little bit of value. And it doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter if you're in affiliate marketing or you're teaching people how to ride a bike. Just give some sort of value within this written post. Now, at the end of these posts, always put a CTA, a call to action. And especially over on Facebook, it's different than when you're doing videos. But at the end, put like a comment on this post if you believe what I say, or comment on this post that if you agree with what I'm saying, or put something like if you want them to go to a group or you want them to show a video, a YouTube video, tell them to go there. But what I would suggest is don't ever put links to anything in the post. Put the links in the comments. People can go there. What it is, Facebook don't like links, especially if you're taking them away from Facebook. And the same with Instagram. And it's the same with YouTube. Although they're a bit more lenient on YouTube. They quite like it. So what you can do for a long form video post is what you've written, what you've posted on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever it is, or X, use that for your video. So, it might not last too long, but you can always add bits and bobs to it, but use that as the base, use that as your baseline for your long form video to stick onto YouTube. And even now TikTok, to be fair, because they're promoting, you can do a 10-minute video on there. So if you do a long form video that's not as long as 10 minutes, you can put it onto YouTube, you can put it onto TikTok, and you've not had to think any extra because you've already written it out. It's already there for you. Now, if you are on Facebook and you don't have a Facebook group, I would suggest you have one of them. I find it better than Discord and all the other things like that. It's just somewhere you can get your people, your fans, they're going to come into there. And with your long form videos, you can put them into your Facebook group as well. It can be training, it can be just motivational stuff for people that's in your group, or simply just put the link for your YouTube video into the group. Now, if you're super confident in front of the camera, I highly suggest you going live. And the good thing about a Facebook group is there's only the people that you let in there. So if it's going live isn't something that you do all the time or you've never done before. Going live in your group's perfect practice because only the people in the group are going to see it. It's not like going live on YouTube or live on TikTok where everybody can come and see it. You're going to get lots of different people that have never even seen you before. So if, wanting to go live, in fact, I honestly say that's what you should aim for, is going live, because it honestly, you bring so many new people in, especially if you're just building a brand. Like I say, it doesn't matter if you've got nothing to sell at the moment. You're building your brand, you're getting your followers, you're getting the people that you want in your ecosystem, so to speak. So going live is a really, really powerful tool. Now, this is something that I'm really good with. I love going live. I'm super confident when it comes to it, and I will do a video, I will do a podcast episode just about how to go live, what to do, how to say it. I do have a workshop, which is a paid workshop, but I'm just going to do it on here. So if this going live something you want to do, drop a comment, and if I get enough comments and there's enough people that want to go live but they're not sure and they're a bit nervous, then I will do an episode on how to go live on social media with your Facebook groups, TikTok, YouTube. Now I know I don't go live on YouTube at the moment because it's a new channel and I don't have 50 subscribers yet. Once I get there, I'm going to be going live all the time on YouTube as well. So maybe I'll just do the live talking about how you go live. But we'll see. If enough people comment and I get enough feedback, we'll go from there. And like I said about the written posts, if you're going to do videos, you have to be yourself. You have to be yourself. You don't need to wear makeup. If you don't have to get all your hair done. If that makes you feel better, by all means do it. But don't stress out about the way you look, the way you sound. Just be yourself. People are going to relate to you if you're being yourself. If you're nervous, if you're shy, it doesn't matter if you stutter or stammer or anything. Just talk about it. Say, look, this is my first video. I'm super nervous. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it anyway. I'm getting out of my comfort zone. People are going to love that. So, just go for it. And again, YouTube videos, I'm doing this once a week. I would suggest once a week. When you're just starting out with a YouTube video, like I said, use your written content if that's what you're doing first, to then be able to create a video for YouTube. Don't overthink it. There is a lot of videos out there that'll tell you need hashtags and this and that. And yeah, you do need all of that eventually. But if you've never done it before and you just want to get going, just do it. Just do it. Just post it and then learn from there. But yeah, go for once a week if you can, or once a fortnight. But if you can only do once a month, that's fine. Because what we're going to talk about with the shorts, you can do these all the time. So, your long form written and your long form videos, they don't need to be every single day, but I would definitely aim for once a week with both. Twice a week with written if you can, and just do what you can. Don't stress out. Don't overdo it. Don't get overwhelmed with it all. Just do whatever you can do. If you're working a full-time job, you've got a family, you've got kids, and sometimes, I'm going to put these out every Thursday. Sometimes there might be days where I'm not going to be able to record it, edit it, get it out on a Thursday. Oh, that is what it is. It is what it is. But if you can, just try. All you can do is try. That's all I'm saying. So short form videos, you don't need me to tell you. They're everywhere. YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, Pinterest Ideal Pins, TikTok. They're everywhere. And the majority of people on social media are watching these. These are something that you can watch on the go. If you're waiting at the doctor's or you're waiting for a bus or you sat on a train, you're going to go through shorts, aren't you? You're going to go through TikTok. You're not going to sit and watch a 10, 20, 30-minute video. Depending on who you are, you might read posts, you might read content, right? Might read blogs. But I think for the most part, people watch short form videos. Now, they're all different in terms of the length that you can put up. So with TikTok, like we said before, you can go up to 10 minutes. Facebook Reels, you get 1:30, Instagram 1:30. With YouTube Shorts, you only get a minute. So what I would suggest there is record 1.5 minutes, or if you've already done a long form video, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description for an AI tool that you can put your long form video in, and it makes a ton of short form videos for you. And you can set it to it'll do 60 seconds to 90-second videos for you. And you get 10 or 20 of them. So that's brilliant, by the way. I use it all the time. I'll leave that in the description. But what I would suggest, if you're out and about walking and talking and recording videos or whatever you're doing, go for 1.5 minutes, right? So you do your 1.5 minutes, edit it, do whatever it is you're going to do. If you don't know any of that stuff, just ask me and I'll help you out. If you're not sure about what tools to use, what apps you can use, just ask, reach out. I'll happily help you out. I can do video tutorials to show you what to do. So that's all gravy. But let's say you do 1.5 minutes and you're happy with that. You don't want to edit it, right? Post that on TikTok, post it on Facebook Reels, post it on Instagram. if you really want to with Facebook, you can in the settings when you're going to post a reel, you can just click across. There's a little setting. You can put it across so it posts on Instagram as well. Now you don't get as much reach when you do that. I've tested it. It's better to post individually. But if you're stuck for time, just do that. And then what I would do, once you've got your minute and a half there out on TikTok, Facebook, wherever else you want to put it, then just edit it down to a minute. Take some bits out somewhere, so you've got a minute for shorts, and then upload it to YouTube. And again, look, I'm no YouTube expert. Don't get me wrong, I've had other channels that have done quite well. I've started again, and shorts isn't something that I'm getting mega views with. But I'm doing a lot of research. I'm in a couple of groups where I'm learning a bit better about shorts. And the best thing to do is put a title, whatever it is, put 3 hashtags, no more than 3 hashtags, and then just upload it. Make sure you put it's not for kids or is for kids. Depending on what you're talking about. If there's swear words in there, definitely put it's not for kids. And then just let it be. But the good thing with shorts, you can use it like a mini vlog. So it can be, like I do a lot when I'm walking with the dog when it's not 500 million different storms outside. I'll be out with the dog and I'll just walk and talk out with the dog, tell people what I'm up to, what I've been doing. I'm out with the dog, I'm walking, it's a nice day. One time I did it when it was raining. I'm testing my phone to see if it's waterproof. Luckily it was. So yeah, you can use this as a mini vlog. It's a really good way to get people to know, like, and trust you a lot quicker than written content and long form video. And you're going to get a lot more reach. That's what I would highly suggest, to get them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook and Instagram Reels, because you are going to get more people watching. Now with TikTok, if you've been on it a while, like me, I get stuck between 200 and 300 views most videos. Some videos do a bit better, but in general, the normal people like us are getting 200-300 views. However, they're 200. If you look on our analytics, 95 or 98% of the people watching them videos are on the For You page. So these are people that are not your followers and have never seen you before. So what will happen is you're going to get 200 to 300 views every video pretty much once you get going. You've got to get going a bit first. That's 200 to 300 people that's seeing your video that's never seen you before. So you're going to get more subscribers. And once you get 1,000 subscribers on TikTok, you can put links in your description. You can send people to your YouTube channel or your Facebook groups, wherever you want people to go. And it's the same with Facebook. Sometimes the reach has dropped a lot for some reason, but you're still going to hit 100, 200, 300 people. If you do a really good video with good hooks, you're going to get thousands. This can happen overnight. So with the short form video, again, don't overwhelm yourself. Don't stress out, but try and do 3 a day if you can. I don't always do 3 a day, but I do try. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the evening, right? If you miss one, it's cool. If you only do 1 a day, it's cool, but definitely try and do 1 a day at least, right? And if you can do 3, go for it. Like I say, this doesn't have to be full-on educational value. Now, if you can do 1 of the posts out of the 3, that's going to give some value, and people are going to be like, "Oh, I learned something there." Then perfect. So that is absolutely perfect. If you're just starting out, don't stress out. Just talk about yourself. Talk about what you do. If there's something, I want you to think about what you can help people with, because we've all got something. We've all got something we can help people with. Figure that out and talk about that, and you're going to attract people. And the beauty of all this, you don't have to get a mentor. You don't have to invest into programs or courses. You don't have to have anything to sell. And a lot of people come into affiliate marketing, digital marketing, because they need to sell something and they make some money, and apparently you can make 10k months really, really fast. But for the majority of people, this doesn't work straight away. It takes a long time, hard work, and a lot of people don't want to do all of that. The good thing about content creation is you're just creating content. You're just talking, you're just typing, and as long as you've got a mobile phone, a smartphone, which I'm sure you have, you can do it anywhere, any time of the day, anywhere you are. It doesn't matter. And I've said it before in other podcast episodes. I'm in my daughter's bedroom right now, just because the lighting is the best in the house. It doesn't matter where you are. So all I'm saying is, go for it. Long form written, twice a week if you can. If you can do more, do more. If you really enjoy writing and it flows naturally for you, by all means do more. What I would suggest though is stay away from quotes and, just put in random things, because it doesn't really mean anything. So if you really feel like you can write more, I enjoy writing. As much as I enjoy videos, I do enjoy writing as well. I like the way I think fast and type, and even write something down first and then type it up and post it. So aim for 2 a week if you can. If you can, like I said, don't stress. With the YouTube videos, long form videos, once a week. Again, use your written content, and vice versa. If you're doing a video first, like this video now, if I wanted to, there's apps out there that can take this video, turn it into a voice, and then put it into a written AI tools, and it'll type it out for you. Then you just go in and correct spelling mistakes and grammar and whatnot. There you've got a written post. So whatever you prefer, do that one, and then use the other one to do the other one. And then your shorts, you can take video clips from your long form. You can take snippets from your written if you want to just talk about that in little bits, make 3 or 4. Again, like I say, there's AI tools that help you. I'll leave the link in the description. I do apologize. Where you can it'll do it for you. All you do is download it to your phone, upload it to everywhere else. It's fantastic. So like I said, subscribe to my channel so you can watch the next podcast that's coming out. They're coming out every Thursday. If I can get them out every Thursday, I'm not stressing. I won't stress. I haven't got enough people following me at the moment anyway for them to be like, oh, we missed you last week. But hopefully I get to that point. But what I'm saying is, if you want to do videos and you do struggle with your confidence or you're a bit shy, self-doubt and all that stuff, right? I will do a podcast episode solely on confidence, how to be comfortable in front of the camera. Basically what I'll do is I did a course last year that people paid me for. I'll just do that whole thing on here. If enough people are interested, I'll do it. All right. It is actually available in my Facebook group completely for free. If you want to bypass me now and jump straight to that and have a watch, I'll leave the link for my Facebook group as well in the description, and you can go straight there and have a look at it. It's not too long. It was recorded a while ago, so the video quality is not the best. All right. But listen, at the moment, my computer's bust. I've only got my mobile phone. I've got my daughter's vanity lights to light me up. I'm doing, you got to do with what you can do. And coming up with excuses, I can't do it because the lighting or this or that, you're just never going to get going. So I think the moral of all of this, get going, get your content out there. And the beauty of it is, once you'll get paid from YouTube, you'll get paid from TikTok. Even Facebook Reels, if you get so many views now, they're paying you as well. So become a content creator before anything else, before a salesperson. Become a content creator. And then you never know, you might be able to create some assets, digital products. Do me a favor, please never ever ever use AI, ChatGPT to write an ebook for you and then sell it to people. That for me is just the lowest form of shit in my opinion. But anyways, little rant over. So I hope this has been helpful. Put anything in the comments. You want to know some more? If I've missed anything out, if you think it was crap, let me know. If you think it was good, let me know. Any feedback, I don't mind. I just want to know if this is, valuable for you. And again, the links will be in the description to how to make shorts, a lot of shorts out of long form, my Facebook group. If you want to watch the Find Your Fire course, it's in there now, it's completely free. If not, I will do an episode if enough people comment and let me know, give me some feedback. All right, and I'll see you in the next one.